change tomorrow evening. That change actually has been taking place right the way through today. This much clearer weather, slowly but surely, has been edging from the continent, and skies are now beginning to clear, as you see, across that southeastern corner of the country. And that process is going to continue during the night, and across the continent you see clear skies in many places. Incidentally, on that satellite picture, there's quite a lump of cloud down there slipping in towards Madeira and the Canary Islands to possibly bring them some wet and windy weather in the next few days. But nothing like that closer to home. We have high pressure on the scene. That's going to be dominating things for the next few days. So the main thing really is that those southeasterly winds will eventually push that somewhat clearer weather across the Midlands and many other southern parts. And as the skies clear, temperatures will tumble, one or two mist and fog patches forming for a while. Still quite sort of damp and misty further north with a little drizzle around. In those cloudier parts, temperatures holding around 7 degrees. Fairly chilly, much colder than of late in the south. Rather chilly as well in some central areas of Scotland, where there could be a few breaks in the cloud. And in both those spots, just a touch of frost here and there. High pressure still with us throughout tomorrow. And although many places may well start off rather grey and misty, at least for the southern half of the country, it is going to be a very different day, dry with a reasonable amount of sunshine, and even some bright weather eventually filtering in towards Northern Ireland and the rest of northern England, but much of Scotland staying quite cloudy. I think the easternmost parts will have the drizzle. There's every hope that a little bit of brightness may come along to western Scotland, as well as once again in the far north. Temperatures in those northern areas similar to as they have been, but I think we can add on a couple of degrees in the south, especially with that sunshine. And then for the next few days, over the weekend, we keep high pressure with us, as indeed we will probably into next week. So the weather hardly changing, although there will be weakish fronts just brushing across the north, taking a little bit of rain every now and again across the north of Scotland, maybe even filtering down into northeastern parts of England. But most places will be fine and dry. Some problems, though, with fog night and morning.